What makes waves? Magazine article. Imagine walking on the beach. You feel the warm sand and a seashell beneath your feet. After a while, you sit and look at the ocean. A boat on the water rises and falls. Water rolls into the shore. It makes you wonder. What makes waves? A wave is a moving ridge on the surface of a large body of water. Wind causes most waves. As wind blows over water, it gives some of its energy to the water. A small amount of wind makes a tiny wave. A strong wind can make a really big wave. Try it yourself by blowing over the top of a pan of water. Because of the way waves seem to stack on each other, you might get the idea that the water moves forward. In fact, the water only moves up and down. You can see this motion by watching a rowboat or buoy. These objects will bob up and down with the wave, but they do not move toward or away from the shore. When a wave near the shore breaks, the top tips over and finally crashes onto the beach. Wind is not the only thing that causes waves to form. Sometimes, earthquakes and volcanic eruptions happen underwater. They can cause special kinds of very long, high waves. These giant waves rush away from the center of the action of the earthquake or volcano. You can make a model of these waves in a tub or pool. Put your arms straight out. Pull them apart and push them together again quickly. Watch how the water moves away in waves. What makes waves? Wind, earthquakes, and volcanoes do.